ng PBL. Araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng
looking to score. Di makakuha pa. As now the action starting to pick up for either teams. A bump, a basket. It goes in. Stephen Cornelio finishing that one plus the bump. Jaiser Garcia already in this game. Too strong on that last February. And with a couple of months of rest, babalik tayo dito sa Pocket League. Exciting basketball action. We have under 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 with 14 seconds remaining into the opening quarter. Cornelio, nice pass. Just didn't make on that jumper. Si Stephen naman didn't get the friendly roll. And kaming nakatanggap din seasons 1 and 2. And dito sa season 3, tuloy. Again sa ating mga nanonood sa live natin, maraming salamat po sa laging pagsuporta, as your comments are always appreciated. Again, we corrected the score already as Day looking to stop itong si Cornelio. Again, very fearless here, Toyota Alabang. Again, after a strong start in the first quarter, hasn't scored since. Meanwhile, para dito sa Grind Hoop, 6-0 run. Para sa over. After dun sa run ng Grind Hoops in the direct shady ball. Still Valderrama. Hindi papasok yung kanyang unang tira. A counter steal. Sarmiento was a spark on that second quarter. Getting that beautiful spin to go. Di nga lang makakuha ng tamang basket that time on the first quarter and the second quarter. Of course, first quarter belonging the first 5 as Sarmiento couldn't get the first one. Second one, follow up, hindi pa rin. Fading away, Cornelio. This time, Toyota Alabang opting for a bigger lineup as that jump kit ang Grind Hoops. Courtesy of Day Simbulan and Primo Santo Tomas. Pero pagdating ng second quarter, dun nakahabol, nakakuha ng kalamangan. Courtesy of Ethan C. And that dito sa ating fourth quarter. Again, our first game of 8 scheduled for today. Only under 9 game. Nice pass. Cornelio scores for that one. A good fourth quarter. Toyota Alabang looking to make that necessary separation, and they get a steal of the timeout. Let's see if they can add more and bring us sa ating largest lead of the game using the glass for safety. Stephen Cornelio able to make that jumper. Largest lead of the game now. First time nakaabot ng double digits ang kalamangan, and look at Stephen out of nowhere returning the favor after getting. Ethan will miss on the free throw. A chance to run. Nice pass. All head of steam. Sazon. Balik kay Dino. Di papasok yung atake ni Dino, but that time a good pass na makakatulong sa kanila. Almost a turnover. Looking to swing the rock here. Marohom with a steal. Balik kay Cornelio. Basket for Cornelio. Has at least first game of the Junior MPBL Season 3 is done. Ang winners natin, of course, Toyota Alabang. I am joined with 2 amazing players. Unahin muna natin ang ating Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, Stephen Cornelio. Stephen, congratulations. Best player ka ngayon. Anong pakiramdam naglalaro ka ulit sa Junior MPBL?
Saya po.
Anong naging inspiration mo dahil ang ganda ng laro mo today?
Nagpa-practice po ako.
Diyan yung camera natin, marami nag-aantay ng shoutout mo. Ito na, pwede ka na mag-shoutout.
Shoutout kay Jai, kay Tito Ricky, kay Mason, kay Kuya, kay Daddy, kay Mami, kay Jai, kay Derek, kay Zach. Yun lang.
Congratulations sa Stephen. And now we move on to the next one. We have a new awardee here, Growy Defensive Player of the Game, Aiden Marohom. Aiden, congratulations. You are the first recipient of Growy. How does that feel?
That feels good because I did my best.
You had a solid defensive game. What was your secret on having such a good defensive game today?
Play hard and just do my best and play hard in offense and also in defense.
Camera is there. Everyone is waiting for your shout out. Go ahead.
Of course, shout out first to my mom, to the other parents who are cheering for me, kay Stephen, kay Noah, kay Mason, kay Zeke, kay Jai, kay Gyren, kay Dominic, kay Migs, at sa Toyota team, kay Coach Ron, kay Coach Sam, kay Coach Denny, at kay Lord.
Thank you so much. Again, once again, I will introduce you our Chef's Magic Best Player of the Game, Stephen Cornelio, and of course our Growy Defensive Player of the Game, Aiden Marohom. More basketball coverage for you guys. Stay tuned.